Hi, I'm Sabrina Winters, and I'm an estate planning attorney in Charlotte, North Carolina. Today, I want to talk to you about the dangers of do-it-yourself estate planning, DIY. In my opinion, it is dangerous for one of the biggest reasons. I have a lot, but I only want to share one today, is that you need a human being to talk these things through with you. I don't care if Forbes told you that you have an easy and simple estate plan, or another lawyer told you that, or a paralegal, or you watched some movie about estate planning. There is nothing, I promise you, simple about anybody's estate planning. Everybody's estate plan has some level of complexity to it. You need the right person that fits your needs, that has the ability to listen to what you share with them. That is the only way that somebody can guide you through this entire plan. They're going to ask you questions. Well, why do you think your son Johnny should be making these estate planning decisions for you and end of life decisions? You might be surprised at having a 1 or 2 minute conversation about that you do change your mind. You will never get that from a computer program. You need somebody who's going to hold your hand the entire way. Somebody that's going to guide you the entire way, and somebody who understands the level of importance in every creation of every single estate plan. I oftentimes compare it to planning a vacation. Most people don't plan a vacation by themselves. They either hire an agent to do that for them, or they're on all of the travel sites trying to get as much information as possible, looking at Google reviews, asking their questions. We don't go in blindly to a vacation. You should not go in blindly and alone into doing your estate plan. If you need an estate plan created in North Carolina, I highly recommend you go to my website, ncestateplanninginfo.com, click the button that says schedule a meeting, and get yourself a time on my calendar. I promise we're going to hold your hand beginning to end. We're going to ask you the right questions. We're going to tell you the right things to think about. And we're going to give you best and worst case scenarios on all of your planning options. Again, I'm Sabrina Winters, estate planning attorney in North Carolina. Thank you so much for listening.